Introducing RLZ Male Enhancement System. Made with a blend of clinical strength ingredients. RLZ is a male enhancement system that has been formulated to restore your sexual youth and performance, and help you experience an intense, blissful and powerful sex life. RLZ Dual Action Formula not only gives you an instant surge in sexual power and performance, but also treats the root cause of sexual dysfunctions, ensuring that you are able to satisfy your partner consistently. Made with herbal extracts and active botanicals, RLZ is completely safe to use and is free from any harmful side effects. The science behind better, longer and more intense sex. The blood flow to the penis is responsible for erections, while the holding capacity of the penis chambers is what influences sexual stamina and staying power. RLZ helps boost both to help you and your partner enjoy intense orgasms and complete satisfaction. RLZ Pro Sexual Nutrient Blend is quickly absorbed into the bloodstream to stimulate nitric oxide production. This, in turn, boosts the flow of blood to the penile chambers, helping you enjoy harder and stronger erections. On the other hand, it also expands the penis chambers, allowing it to hold more blood in order to drastically increase sexual stamina, strength and staying power. RLZ utilizes a breakthrough rapid absorption and extended release technology. The rapid absorption of the ingredients into the bloodstream aid in delivering instant surge of sexual power, while the extended release technology delivers sustained results that help you enjoy on-command erections and stamina to last all night long. RLZ is the only product that does both. RLZ contains the most potent nitric oxide stimulators which maximize the delivery of the active ingredients to your penile tissue, giving you firmer, longer erections. The benefits of RLZ: improved libido and sex drive. Get ready to experience a torrent of desire and passion with RLZ, which replenishes sexual energy stores across the body like never before. Increased staying power. Bid goodbye to premature ejaculations. RLZ floods your penile chambers with a gush of blood, letting you last 5x more than usual and helping you last all night long. Bigger, harder and longer erections. RLZ lets you achieve rock-hard erections on command, helping you and your partner enjoy insane sexual sessions whenever you desire. Improved sexual confidence. Equipped with youthful sexual powers and energy, you are sure to experience sexual confidence like never before. Gives you greater success with the most desirable women. Increased penis size. Increase in penile chamber capacity and regular boost in blood flow may help add those inches to your penis size, both length and girth-wise. Get maximum sexual benefits. 1. Bigger and long-lasting erections. 2. Surge in sex drive and energy. 3. Increased sexual confidence. Click the link in the description below, claim your free bottle. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information.